we're here back today. I finally got the parts in to fix the broken intake isolator and also the trigger here. You can see that piece right there that's broken, so we're going to be fixing those two things. These are the result of operator error, not any fault of the machine itself. So because it's been a couple days, I've just put a paper towel in here to keep anything from going into the intake boot. Make sure your intake boot is good. This trimmer only has like 22 hours or so on it, so this boot is fine. So what happened was on this one, you can see the stud or the mounting places broke off because it got smacked up against a fence. All right, so here is our new genuine Echo part. Alright, so the rubber is flush all the way around. Next, you have this piece right here that goes in, and just spray it off. Okay, so I shouldn't have second guessed myself. The two shorter silver Torx bolts go here, and the longer black one goes right here. So I did verify that on the schematic with parts tree, but yeah, it made logical sense for that one to go there. All right, so back to this. We'll put this back on. All right, that really can only go one way. All right, there we go. This job should probably take you about, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes at the most. You drop it hard enough. All right, so I'm just snugging this down, and then everything should be nice and tight. And then we'll take our, clean the edge of the filter off. Okay, so it'll go like that. And then you got this, drops down like this. All right, so what we have to do is we have to replace this right here, and I've got to bring a new one right here. So we'll get rid of this, that's broken. Think. This is on a little stud, plastic stud. It's got a spring that's right here. So actually I'm going to take the spring with it. If I can get this up. Okay, there we go. So I've got the whole handle, and I've got the spring like that, right? So we'll get our new part. Okay, and then I'm going to take the spring, take it off of here. I'm just going to put it, okay. Then I'm going to flip it over. This arm right here is going to go against this stud. Okay, there we go. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take just some hemostats. You can use some needle nose pliers. I'm just going to put the cable, and I'll show you this as soon as I get this back together. Okay. So there's the lock. All right, so I just had to get that in and then twist it so that it comes out to the side. this half of the handle to put back on. And it lines up just like that. Make sure that the on-off switch is still operable. You've got to take this. Let me take this off so you guys can see. I should have done this before I put this cover on. You can do it without it, but it's hard to video. End right here, we'll call the ball. It has to go right there. So I'm going to slide this over with my finger so that it seats in there. Okay. And then this should drop right in there. And then you just tighten it up with your wrench. All right, there we go, fixed.